In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix contacts not showing on Telegram. Now guys, if you head to your Telegram and you don't see no contacts inside the contacts section, simply head to your settings on your bottom right. Onto the settings page, select on privacy and security. On the privacy page, you will want to scroll down onto the very last option of data settings. Inside this very first option of contacts, make sure to enable this option of sync contacts. Now when turned on, your contacts will be visible in your contacts section on Telegram. Now let's get back and see if my contacts are back. They are all back in the contacts section. Well, that's how easy it is to fix contacts not showing on Telegram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.